Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in a different location. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted to sit on the floor and I just like sitting on the floor a lot more, but I love my other setup. So let me know what you guys think of this setup, if it has the same vibe, if you like it still. So what we are doing today is unboxing the WitchBox, and this always gets sent to me pretty late because this is a UK company and I just think the shipping's really slow. And also, I think my mail person hates me because this happened with my Witchy one box. All my boxes that explicitly say witch get fucked up in the mail. And I'm just I'm not trying to project or assume, but it's a weird coincidence that they get so messed up. Literally has a hole in it. Whatever. Haters. I'm really excited. Like I said, this was the June box, and I'm sorry for getting this out so late. I'm sorry to WitchBox too. This just gets sent out very late to me, and then I already had a lot of videos to do, so I'm excited to do it now though, because this is a freaking kick-ass box, you guys. I really like WitchBox. This was the first, Lucy is so into this today. This was the first box I ever got that did spell kits and rituals, which is so nice as a witch with ADHD and lots of depression. It's hard for me to get started sometimes, or to actually sit down and do what I'm wanting to do. So having it pre-packaged and it's all the stuff in one bag, it just makes me feel less overwhelmed. Obviously I can do my own spells, but it's just nice. It's convenient sometimes. So let's go ahead and open it. I'll turn it towards you guys. Cute. This is called, I think, the Egyptian Magick, which, oh, I love it. Yes, it says, oh, I'm sorry, I said June. This was the July box. I'm really sorry. I'm not that late. This month, we have themed the box around Egyptian magic, and it says that their boxes are suitable for vegetarians, and they use recyclable or eco-friendly packaging. And then it goes into all the stuff that's in there, but I don't want to spoil everything, so we're just gonna go with it as we pick stuff out. You've got some papers. First thing that I pick up is, oh, this is so cute. I forgot about this. It is a magical pyramid for recharging and energy, and it's something that you cut out. So it says, exclusive pyramid kit card. Follow the instructions to make your own pyramid, which can be used to charge crystals or other small objects, or simply place on your altar. This is really, really cute. I'm really excited for this. This did get a little bent up with the damages, but I think it's definitely salvageable. And I think this is really cute. I'm really, I work with Goddess Isis, and so I'm really respectful, and I just love all things Egyptian magic. I think that the Egyptians just had such a flair to them, such a love for beauty and the divine, and it was just, I don't know, I'm just really into it. I was watching a bunch of Egyptian documentaries the other day too. Oh, okay, bye Lou. So the spell kit, I'm excited. Okay, the spell kit for this box is the Bastet Seduction spell kit. It says, this spell devised by our resident English witch is derived from an ancient Egyptian spell and is designed to draw your heart's desire toward you. Everything you need to carry out this spell is included in our exclusive spell kit. And I didn't open the spell kit last time on camera because I was like, oh, I'm not going to open it till I do it. But it had so much stuff in it, so I felt bad. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I haven't opened this, as you guys seen, so I'm excited. There's a whole green candle. An entire candle. You get a card that tells you what to do. It has the contents, it has the background, and then the instructions on this side. You get a bag of catnip herbs. A small bottle of Come to Me Lover oil. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's small. It's a baby. But yeah, that's what's in this package. That's exciting. I'm super, super pumped to do this. Like I said, it's just really nice to have a spell that's just like given to you in its entirety, and some people might think that's a cop-out, but whatever. Some of us are having a hard time. So next thing is this Egyptian Musk incense cones, and it says a box of 15 quality Stamford incense cones. Egyptian musk is a mystical fragrance to enhance your practice, useful for spells involving concentration and when a balance of mind and body are required. That is nice. I'm interested. That smells really good. I like that. I'm a big fan of incense cones. I'm a fan of all incense actually, but I'm looking forward to that. I like a good musky smell. I think like a couple years ago I would have said that like more florally smells, like lavender and whatnot, were like my favorite, but I've recently, like all my perfume I wear is very musky and earthy, and I've just really come to love that. Oh, there's so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, this is the Bast Cat statue. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, when I opened this, I was so excited. You guys know I love cats. Lucy said, what? Cats are being involved without me. I love cats. I have a cat tattoo. I have 2 cats. Freya's like my main deity, so love cats. This says a stunning black and gold, please don't push that off. A stunning black and gold Bast Cat figurine wearing a scarab necklace to place on your altar or elsewhere in your home. Comes with a WitchBox exclusive information card. So let me grab that and read that to you. I'm so happy about this. Like, I really love statues. I think statues just, they make me really happy. And I'm thinking about putting it like by my front door. So this says Bast or Bastet is an ancient Egyptian goddess and the daughter of the sun god Ra. She is a goddess with many attributes and is known as the goddess of love, fertility, childbirth, celebration, fire, and magic. Thank you, Lou, for your presents. Okay, next thing, got this Egyptian goddess Resin Incense. You guys might not believe this, but I've never used resin. Like, I have it. I have a lot of it. I don't know. There's something that I'm hesitant to use it. I really have no answer for you guys. It says a 30-gram package of resin to inspire you to connect with your higher self. Place on a heat-resistant surface to burn. And here's the thing. I have a cauldron. I have plenty of places I can use to burn it. I just have not. I should probably just do it since I have some. So yeah, we will maybe use resin for the first time. Oh, the next thing, this is every month they give you like an insert for your Book of Shadows, or it's just a really pretty paper too. The last one I got was about black salt. This one is about ancient Egyptian magic. So it's just a really pretty scroll that has information on it. I will not read that all to you because that would take a while, but it's just really pretty. It's too big for my Book of Shadows to fit, but I think it's really, really pretty, and I keep them. The next thing is this Pharaoh handmade soap. It says an exotic blend of floral and citrus fragrances. This soap can be used in ritual baths or simply to make you feel more magical. And I like that they give you soaps for the theme. I love a good like bath and body product. It says infused with lemon and musk. I'm excited. We still got a couple of things, you guys. This box is so packed. And then they give you, in this cute little yellow bag, the leopard skin Jasper stone. And I think I have one of these already. But it says, leopard skin jasper, also known as the jaguar stone, is a form of jasper with a distinctive spotted pattern. Jasper was revered by most ancient people, including the Egyptians. Leopard skin jasper is a good protective stone for travel and also relieves stress and negativity. That's very nice. But yeah, I think this guy. He looks different, but I think he's technically, this is the one I already had. I think he's the same. guy. Very cute. I absolutely love getting crystals in my boxes. It just is such a fun surprise. Ah! We're getting to the bottom of it. We got 2 more things left, you guys. This next is the Scarab, and it's just like a little statue figurine. And it says, a beautiful scarab figurine to protect you and your home, decorated with hieroglyphs to bring forth the Heka in you. So this and my cat might go together, actually, on my, like right by my front door. I think that'd be really pretty. And it has really beautiful hieroglyphs on it. Okay, and then the last thing, let me see it on here. Oh, this is so cute. This says, this is an exclusive Ankh and Pentagram lanyard. And it's a little small guy like that. It has the Ankh and the Pentacle. And it says, this exclusive Witchbox lanyard features Tibetan silver charms and can be attached to your phone, bags, or keys for protection. So I will be putting this on my keychain. I think that's really cute. I got my favorite like chip obsidian bracelet with a pentacle on it from this company, and I wear it all the time. I love it so much. So I'm really excited to have another pentacle to wrap with the Ankh, and yeah, that is it, you guys. Oh my gosh. But that is it for the Witchbox of July 2021 Egyptian Magic. I hope you guys enjoyed. I thought this was really cool. I loved my other Witchbox as well. I will put the price here for you guys. It is a UK brand, so I think the shipping might be a bit more expensive for those of you who are here in the States, but I really like it. I think this is like one of the cooler boxes that I've gotten. It's just really, I think it's really well thought out, and I think the things included are actually useful and nice, whereas sometimes I feel like a lot, I won't name names, but a lot of like the boxes that I've tried and I haven't loved, I feel like they're more pandery or like cutesy stuff, and it's like, I don't need like another, I don't know, silly thing. Like, I don't know, I can't think of a good example, but I just think that this box is just like genuinely really good quality. So I really like this, and thank you so much to Witchbox for sending this to me again. I really love it, and I'm just like absolutely thrilled to be able to share this with you guys because this is really fun. I hope you guys like these unboxings. I have a couple more coming the rest of this month. And yeah, that is all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite item was down below. I have to say, I think mine was by far the cat. I love it. It's so pretty. I love it so much. But that's it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all, and I will see you next time. Bye.